Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so first thing first, you know what it is, primer. So we're gonna prime our face first. Okay, so after we prime our faces, you know what it is. I am gonna take my peach corrector and correct my under eye circles. You know what? I don't know why I made that face, but I'm sorry if it's really weird for you. But anyways, I can't do anything, so I'm so sorry. So I'm just gonna correct my dark spots on my face because I have been breaking out a lot lately. Why? I don't know. So yeah. So I'm just gonna correct around my nose and on my cheeks and on my chin because it needs some glow. Now I'm gonna take my booty sponge and dab that out. If you're wondering why I'm looking that way, because I have a mirror, so yeah. So after we are done with correcting, I'm gonna set my face with my Maybelline Translucent powder, and I'm just gonna spread that all over my face. Just like that. We don't need a lot of powder. I'm just setting my face so my corrector doesn't move everywhere after when I apply my foundation or concealer. That's the tip of the day. Super light. You don't want to go really heavy with the powder because we're gonna use our powder later on. So now I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna use the Camo Concealer and the Tarte Shaptape concealer. As you will see that I am gonna highlight my inner corners with my lighter concealer, just like that. And then I'm gonna do the line over there because I want really snatched kind of eye today. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just apply in the corner and outer corner of my eyes, and then I'm gonna highlight my face with the concealer really quickly. Now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shaptape concealer and I'll just take that and dab these in between the two lines, I guess. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna correct a little bit because it has like a more kind of peachy-ish, yellowish undertones. I will correct my dark spots too. So I'll just correct that really quick and then apply right over there. Now I'm gonna use my same beauty blender and just blend everything away. Okay, and I'm gonna use the same concealer like what are left on my sponge. I'll just dab that on my eyes just to cancel out the darkness around my eyes, and you get like a nice clear base to work with. Okay, so as you can see, everything is like nice and blended. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use my foundation just to even out everything. So for foundation today I'm using my e.l.f. Camo CC cream, and I've been loving this product lately, so yes. And it gives it like really nice dewy kind of finish, which is like perfect for this look. I'll just like dot that on my face, and I'm gonna take my same beauty blender and blend everything out. Okay, so after you blend your CC cream, this is how you're gonna look like a flawless ghost doll kind of, you know. You can even see my lips. Anyways, now what I'm gonna do, I'll just tap my under eyes really quick so it's not creasing, you know. So I'll just dab my beauty blender to take away all the creases, and I will definitely do one at a time because, you know, the crease, they settle really quickly. The best part is highlighter, cause you can't do your glowy makeup look without the highlighter. So I'm gonna take my Conrad the liquid highlighter, and I'll just take that on the back of my hand. So I'll just take that and use my beauty blender. I'll just use the back part and then use that on the high point of my face. And then blend that over there. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Okay, so one thing that I don't like, when you're breaking out, please don't apply your highlighter on the breakouts, because it's gonna look really bad. Like, no joke. Like, you can literally see your breakout. So if you're breaking out, please keep your makeup matte and use less kind of highlighter. If you love highlighter, I'm not saying that you can't use it, you can, but keep less. So I'll just use that on my forehead, and then yes, on my nose, on my cupid bone, and on my chin. So as you can see, I'm like breaking out here. I'm not taking my highlighter and put it on the breakout. That's what I was saying. That's so nice and pretty. Now I'm gonna take the same highlighter and I'm gonna use that on my eyelid. So I'll just take my finger and then dab it in the highlighter, and I'm just gonna dab this on my eyelid. So it will give you like that glossy kind of nice look, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm taking my Nars Duo palette, which has like two shades. One is a bronzer and one is the blusher. So I'm gonna take the bronzer and I'm gonna use that on my crease, just to give a little bit of depth in my crease, because right now it's like blank. It's shiny, it's nice and shiny, but we need the depth in the crease. So I'm just gonna take that and apply over the crease, not in the crease but over the crease. Yep, so you can see the difference between this one and that one. So that's how it's gonna look like after you apply your bronzer. So I'll just take that teeny tiny highlighter and just dab that in the inner corner, because I feel like it just took a little bit of highlighter when I was applying the bronzer. Now I'm using my same palette and I'm gonna contour my nose really quick. So now I'm going to take my small teeny tiny pencil brush and I'm going to use my Maryloumanizer highlighter and highlight my inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to take my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. And I'll take my eyeliner and tight line my eyelashes or eyelid or whatever you want to call it. Oops, so as you can see, I have like a little bit of eyeliner over there, so don't worry. I'm gonna take my highlighter one more time and take that on the back of my head. I'll take the same teeny tiny brush, take it on my brush and just dab that on the liner, so it will just blend away nicely, and then you can't even see the liner on your eyelid. See? We're gonna take the same liquid highlighter and highlight our brow bone. Okay, so after we are like done with our eyes, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. brow thingy majingy and I'll just do my eyebrows with it, cause this will give you like really nice natural look instead of like harsh eyebrow look, you know what I mean. So I'll just take that and use that on my eyebrows. I'm gonna take my same bronzer palette and I'm gonna bronze my face really quick. Okay, so after you brown your face, you know it's a time for the blusher. So I'm gonna take my same brush, the one we used, and I'm gonna use the Milani Wild Rose blusher, and I'll just dust that on my cheeks really quickly. Now I'll just take the blusher and use that on my tip of the nose, on my chin, because I love the blusher over there. It looks cute. So now I'm gonna take the napkin and just wipe out my lips. I'm gonna take this Acacia Rose lip plumper. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this lip plumper, it's awesome. Like, just try it. Let me show you what I mean. So I'll just take the lip plumper and just spread this on. And I don't know what's in the lip plumper, but your lips gonna look so freaking good. As you can see, it looks really nice and pink, which I love it because I love pink color. Like, it's my favorite color. So yes, I love pink, and especially the pink lip liner and lipsticks. I love it. So now I'll just leave that on and let that do the job. We're gonna leave that just like that. So now I'll just take my setting spray and set my face because we are done. And as you can see, that highlighter and that blusher and everything looks so good. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my Conrad mascara and just use that on my eyelashes, because this mascara gives you like a really nice, like natural look. So yes, that's what I like about this mascara. Okay, so today I'm like messing up this eye, so I just held a little bit of mascara on my eyelid, so you don't have to like go like right away, otherwise it's gonna spread everywhere. So let it dry and then just clip it off, and then you'll be fine. We'll find with the mascara. So now I'm gonna take my Milani lip liner. As you can see, I'm like almost out with the lip liner, but I love this color. Like, no joke, in like last few years I believe I have been using like this shade, and people always ask me that what shade is this on my lips. Like, no joke. So this one is in the shade 05 Haute Pink. So yes, I'm gonna use this lip pencil just to line my lips really quick. So as you can see, now it just defined my lips and it looks nice and perfect. You can absolutely use your lip liner first and then the lip plumper, but you do you, boo, whatever you like. So just saying it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and scrape that mascara from my eyes. It looks like it's almost gone. Now I'll take my highlighter and just pop that highlighter on back. So I'm using the same brush and take my highlighter and just dab that on the place where I have the mascara. I use my highlighter on top of that so that darkness just go away and it's not gonna leave any like streaky thing on my eyes. So that's all I did. Okay, so that's it for today, and if you like this video then please give it a thumbs up and please like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. And yes, that's it. It's really easy to do, so why not, right? And yes, if you want to see this face every week, then please turn on the notification so you will notify whenever I post my video every week. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.